Hello, welcome to Texas Style Cuisine. I'm Chef Johnny. Appreciate you stopping by. As you can see, got the Blackstone Griddle out again. We're working on breakfast. Got a special dish my kids love all the time. Daughter's home for college, asked me to cook it for her. But we're going to make something that we call one-eyed bandits. You may have heard them called an egg in a nest or an egg in a basket. So we're going to be cooking a nice egg cooked inside of a piece of bread. Stick around, let me show you how we do it. I'm just going to take my biscuit cutter, and you can do this as big or small of a biscuit cutter as you want. Just take it in, little twist, save these, don't get rid of them. This biscuit cutter may be a little bit big, a little smaller one probably would have been better for this, but we're going to make it work. And I'll show y'all. There's other people that do different things with their little pieces of toast. And they use it for sopping or making toast and doing different things. Not what I do. We're going to do mine a little bit different. So let me move them out of the way, get 4 more pieces of bread. I'll get back with you as soon as these are done. Now, if you wanted to butter your bread first, that'd be perfectly fine. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little clarified butter down. So my bread's going to soak that up. Butter's down. Get my pieces of toast on here. Kind of butter each side. Flip it back over. Catch that butter there was trying to run off. And there's still a little bit of that old bacon and sausage flavor on this grill, which I promise you is not going to hurt anything at all. It's going to give us a little more flavor in our toast and on our eggs. Breads are all buttered. Let's toast up that side. We'll start getting our eggs inside. Eggs are ready. We're just going to crack them and we're going to drop them in these holes. Hence the name egg in a hole, right? Get that in there. And you can cook these however you want them. If you want to do them over easy, sunny side up, however you want it. If you like your yolks hard, then flip them over and cook them over hard. It's however you like it. Drop a little pepper on these. Salt them up some. To help these steam a little faster and cook on top, I'm just going to cover them up. Gives it a little oven effect. If we want to do an over hard, this one that I broke the yolk on, I'll do over hard. Let's flip it over. Bottom's cooked well. Some of these we'll do some over easies. Oh, a little too hot right there. That one looks good. All right, let's cook them up on that side. Don't take long. We're going to leave most of these but that one over easy. So just long enough to cook that top and the whites on the top. Then we'll be getting them off the stove. Set my tray up here. Start taking my eggs off. My egg in a hole is ready. I got some toasted bread. We're going to let that over hard stay there a little bit longer. These are starting, you can tell when you cover them, you start getting a little white up on top, but we want a nice runny yolk, so we're going to leave those like that. Now, I'll show you what I'm going to do with those holes. Dip them in some butter. Put them up here. Now, all of our holes are buttered. And I'm going to shake cinnamon. This is what my kids love right here. Shake that cinnamon on here. And just make sure you clean your grill real good after this. The sugar will cake up on there if you're not careful. My kids like cinnamon toast with their one-eyed bandits, so let's let that toast on that side. Check these eggs. I think they're set. They're still going to be nice and moist, though. You can tell that sugar will start burning on here. You're not careful, so just going to move them over a little bit. You want sugar side down just to caramelize that a little bit. Shake us a little cinnamon on this side. We have a plate. Let's get our cinnamon toast off. There we go. Cinnamon toast, some one-eyed bandits, or egg in a basket, egg in a hole, frog in a hole. Heard them call all kinds of things, but we call them one-eyed bandits. So all that looks like it's about done. See if we can plate this up. One thing I am going to do is have this on low. I'm going to take a little water and I'm going to get this sugar off of this griddle before it caramelizes on there. See if we can plate this up here for you. About a nice piece of toast. One of our soft eggs, one of our harder eggs. We're going to put them like this. How about that? We need some sausage to go with it. Wouldn't be a good breakfast without some sausage. And of course, got to have bacon. We got breakfast ready. We're going to give it a try. First, our cinnamon toast. That's always a pleasant part of this breakfast. Just like you'd want it to be. Nice, crispy, sweet with that cinnamon flavor. That's a good toast. And now one of our over easy eggs. A little toast on there with it. Give it a try. Look at that. Good egg. There you go. One-eyed bandits, toad in a hole, egg in a basket. A lot of different names for it. I tell you, it's fun. My kids really enjoyed this. We do it when we went camping. We do it here at the house. They always liked it when they were kids. They loved that little cinnamon toast treat at the end, so it was always a pleasure for them to do this. Like I said, daughter's home from college, asked me to cook these up for her this morning, so got to take care of your baby girl, right? So we made her what she wanted. But thanks for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Always do appreciate it. If you like this Blackstone Griddle recipe, go down there and give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Tell your friends and family about us. Let them know what's going on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. And we're going to see y'all down the road.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.